Forever's not enough for me to love you so. Dito, birthday boy now. They say tomorrow seems so far away, and now we see that everything can change.
Siyempre ako din.
My love for you gets stronger as tomorrow comes. I know this love will stand the test of time. And this forever's not enough for me to love you. I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. For you, there's nothing I can do, and never will I ever go. Forever's not enough to love you so. And if forever ends one day, I promise you I'll stay to show that my love will never forever's I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
Maulog mo yun sa Metro Bank. Metro Bank. Bibigyan ka ng account number. Natawag ka sa NSO. May hotline sila doon eh. NSO na mga nasa dyaryo, tabloid. NSO. Tawagan mo yung hotline na yun. Bibigyan ka ng bibigyan ka ng
Account number sa
Metro Bank. Tapos
Dumulog-ulog yung pera.
Nagtatago yung birthday boy. Wala siyang damit.
Kasi ako ganun eh. Kay Earl. Hindi naman nagbayad eh.
Wala ka nang sarap na Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I know for certain I'm feeling right now. I don't recall ever feeling this way. Tell me what does one say?